Hello, this is FSCNT, a manufacturer specializing in the design and production of C33 engine control cables for small vessels and yachts. Today, we'd like to explain the differences between two types of C33 engine control cables, single-core and multi-core. From the outside, they may look almost identical. However, there are clear differences in their internal structure and real-world operating performance. A C33 engine control cable is a push-pull type control cable used in outboard, inboard, and stern drive engines. It directly controls gear shifting, both forward and reverse, as well as throttle operation and RPM control. In marine environments, operating feel, durability, and long-term reliability are especially important. Typically, two cables are used per engine, one for shifting and one for throttle control. First, let's take a look at the single-core C33 engine control cable. The key feature of the single-core type is its solid core structure, made from a single oil-tempered piano wire. Because the core is solid, force transmission is very direct, and straight-line stability is excellent. This results in clear and concise shifting. During manufacturing, quality is managed through dedicated processes such as staking, straightness inspection, and end-dimension control. Inside the cable, an inner tube is used to reduce friction, while the outer layer is protected by a PVC coating. The finished outer diameter is controlled to the 08.4 C33 standard. As a result, the single-core C33 provides sharp shifting feedback and immediate lever response. It is well suited for commercial vessels with small outboard engines, where shifting accuracy is a priority. Although the structure is relatively simple, it offers excellent consistency in mass production, making it a reliable choice for commercial applications and OEM markets. That said, in installations with long cable runs and complex routing, operating resistance can be slightly higher. Next is the multi-core C33 engine control cable. The defining characteristic of the multi-core type is its multi-strand core structure, made from several oil-tempered wires twisted together. By carefully controlling the strand pitch, flexibility is significantly improved. This design helps distribute stress through bending, resulting in excellent fatigue resistance and long-term durability. Like the single-core type, the multi-core cable uses an inner tube, along with an additional winding structure to maintain external stability. The outer sheath is also a PP conduit, and the finished outer diameter remains 8.4, fully compatible with C33 specifications. Thanks to its flexible design, the multi-core C33 delivers a smooth and consistent operating feel, even in long, highly curved conditions. This makes it especially suitable for yachts and cruisers where throttle operation is frequent. Ground is often complex. For this reason, multi-core C33 cables are commonly selected for export markets and premium product lines. To summarize, single-core C33 cables focus on concise shifting and direct response, while multi-core C33 cables emphasize smooth operation and routing flexibility. Neither type is inherently better. The right choice depends on the vessel structure, routing conditions, and operational requirements. At FSCNT, we manufacture both the single-core and multi-core C33 engine control cables under the same internal quality standards. We support custom specifications, bulk production, OEM supply, and export requirements. C33 engine control cables may look similar on the outside, but internal design and manufacturing experience make a real difference. If you have any questions regarding product selection, OEM supply, export specifications, or bulk orders, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.